If you are getting ready for a Carnival cruise, it may feel like a lot to figure out, but you don't have to stress. We are going to break down 18 embarkation day mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake number one is not understanding how the boarding process works. The boarding process is very similar to like the airport process. You have your check-in, then you go through your security, you have your waiting zones, and then you're going to board into groups. So as long as you understand that process, you are already on a good start. Mistake number two is arriving too early or too late. Now, it's always a good idea to make sure you get there a little bit early, but if you get there too early, you are going to be waiting outside. So you want to make sure that you get there on time and not too late. So that way you're not rushing, you're not waiting in longer lines, and you're just delaying the process. So you want to make sure you get there at your designated window time. Mistake number three is forgetting to complete your check-in time. So during the check-in time, you are going to upload your photo, you're going to provide your passport information and documents, and you'll also be able to choose your check-in time. Without it, the boarding process is going to be delayed and you're just going to be waiting in longer lines. So make sure you get it done days before your cruise departs. Mistake number four is packing important documents in your checked luggage. When you check your luggage in, you want to make sure that it does not include your documents, your medications, your CPAP machine, anything that you need that's important, that's valuable. That stuff needs to be with you. Oh, Jesus, my bad. You want to make sure that you keep it on you so that there's no delays. Mistake number five is not having a carry-on bag. So you're not going to get your checked luggage bag until later on in the evening or, right at dinner time. So you want to make sure that you carry items that you are going to need while you're exploring the ship, such as your sunscreen, your swimsuit, your charger, a change of clothes. You want to make sure you have all of those with you so that, you can freshen up. Mistake number six is wearing the wrong type of clothes. Your first day is going to be lots of walking, lots of waiting in lines. You are going to be exploring the ship. So you want to make sure that you have comfortable clothes, comfortable shoes, and, you're dressed appropriate for the weather because, it is going to be a long day. You want to make sure you are comfortable. Now, if the thought of packing just seems overwhelming or stressful, check out my free packing list. I will provide that in the description box below. It also includes a free outfit planner as well as a to-do list. So check that out. Mistake number seven is eating at the buffet. On your very first day, that buffet is going to be crowded. It's going to seem a little chaotic, but that's only because, people think that's the only place to eat, which is not. Try going to other places such as Guy's Burger Joint. Those are going to be open on your first day. Mistake number 8 is not downloading the Carnival Cruise app. Now, the Carnival Cruise app is going to be your go-to. It's going to be everything. It's going to be your reservations. You're going to be able to see the activities, see menus. You can even chat for an extra fee, but you want to make sure you get that downloaded before you get onto the ship, because trying to download anything while you're on the ship, it might be a little bit more difficult. So you want to make sure you take care of that before you get on. Mistake number 9 is not putting your phone on airplane mode. If you forget to put your phone on airplane mode, your phone is going to roam. It's going to roam until it finds a signal. While it's roaming, it is going to collect charges. So you don't want to come home with a new souvenir, which is a high phone bill. Mistake number 10 is trying to bring prohibited items on board. Now, once you check in and you go through security, they're going to check your bags. They even have the dogs. They're going to sniff your bags. And if you have anything that you're not supposed to have, those people, they can toss that stuff and you're not going to be compensated. So just don't even try it. If you are not sure, check out the Carnival Cruise website. There is a list of items where they tell you exactly what you can or cannot bring. So make sure you check that out before you zip up that luggage bag. Now, mistake number 11 is not eating or hydrating before boarding. Between travel, excitement, and these long lines, it is easy to forget. So you want to make sure that you get a nice breakfast or something to eat before you get there, just so that, your energy and your mood stays high. Number 12 is not exploring the ship on day one. ships. Once you get on board, take that time to wander. This is the perfect time to figure out those key locations, where to avoid crowds, even to really get to know the ship. Now, this is a great way to get a head start to start your vacation. Mistake number 13 is skipping the muster drill. This is absolutely mandatory. You want to make sure you get that done the moment you get on board. Don't go to the bar. Don't go to get nothing to eat. Go straight to your muster station, because if you don't get it done, the ship can't leave. They're going to call your name over the intercom like you some kid in trouble. So they're going to know. They're going to know. So make sure you get that done. Mistake number 14 is not making your dining or your show reservations early. Shows or any last minute dining specialties or spa services will need to be done once you get on board the ships. You want to make sure you get that reserved once you get on the ship. If you plan on signing your kids up for the kids club, this is also the time for you to go ahead and get that done. You'll also be able to get a tour, get to meet the instructors there. So make sure you get that done on day one. Mistake number 15 is not enjoying the sail away. Now, this is the start of your cruise vacation. During this time, you're going to get to meet the cruise director. There'll be music, there'll be dancing. It is high energy. If that is not your thing, there are also other places on the ship where you can enjoy your own sail away, less crowds, more private. So definitely just take advantage of the sail away. It is one that you cannot miss. Mistake number 16 is overpacking your carry-on bag. So you will be carrying these items around for a couple of hours before your cabin's even ready. So you want to make sure you are packing light. If you are going to be packing any sodas or wines, consider bringing a carry-on luggage with wheels so that you don't have to put all that stress on your body, and you can enjoy your trip. Mistake number 17 is not meeting your cabin steward. Your cabin steward is going to be in charge of making sure your cabin stays clean. Also, they are there if you need any requests, such as bringing ice or extra blankets, hangers, even the mattress toppers on your bed. So, if it's available, go ahead and ask, but you want to make sure you meet them so you just know who they are and who you can reach out to if you need anything. Mistake number 18 is not checking your cabin right away. As soon as you're able to get into your cabin, make sure you check everything. Check your outlets, check your doors, your window. If you have a balcony, check the bathroom. If anything is off, you can report it early so that it's fixed right away. Now you've got embarkation day covered. Let's make sure you are not overpacking for your trip. In the next video, I'm going to break down what not to pack and what to bring instead. I'll see you there.